What up? What up? What up? It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, back with the weekly money watch, episode 90. Can you believe it? Looking forward to having an absolutely fabulous week. I hope you are as well. Last week, SPY hit a new all-time high. The market continues to go crazy. Our new money Roth portfolio continues to be go crazy, hit all-time highs as well. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel so we can get them started on their investing journey. Economics calendar for the week. Monday, consumer credit on the horizon. Tuesday, NFIB optimism index. Wednesday, producer price index, core PPI year over year, wholesale inventories. Thursday, CPI year over year, core CPI. And then Friday, consumer sentiment preliminary. As far as the almanac goes, this is historically one of the most bullish weeks of the year. Historically, the market is set up to run. I've given my levels on SPY in the past. Hopefully you're aware of those. But this week is expected, or I shouldn't say expected, historically, definitely bullish. So a lot of things have been going crazy. Gold has been going crazy. Precious metals, silver, a lot of that stuff has been going crazy. We definitely been taking advantage of that. So what are we going to look for this week? Let's start off with NCLH Norwegian. As you can see on a macro, it's been on a crazy run. That year candle, outside year, is about to turn the year back green, which is going to be absolutely crazy on this one. We had an original entry on this one, was a 2-2 day above a 1740. Now we're going to get some additional entries on this one, setting up a real nice on the 5 minute. So 2-2 minute above $25.68. And we'd be looking at a level around $30.74 quarterly broadening formation. That gives us a little bit of room to go. Will we get there this week? We shall see. Next one, all-time favorite, Coke. Coke is a hell of a stock. As they would say, we played Coke many times. So this one's pretty easy here. Let's go to that 30-minute chart so you can see what I'm looking like. All right, so there we go. We got that 2 down red candle on that 30-minute, and so we're looking for that 2-2 above $30. And as far as Coke, Coke is something that you want to give time to, but yeah, I'm pretty conservative with these and then give myself time on those. Also, dividends coming up 51 cent September 15th. So that's about a week away. So we'll see if we get some run up until then or what kind of price action happens after that. Another stock down 3.38% last trading day. Tiger. I'm definitely interested in Tiger here. This also has a 5-minute entry on here. Take a look at that on the 5-minute. This has been strong. As you can see, looking at these macros, it's definitely been pushing up. So on this 5-minute, you can see this retracement here. It's about this like 50% retracement on this micro. So we're looking at 2-1-2 5-minute above $12.30. First target, we're going to be looking at quarterly broad information, just over $15. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. I hope you are as well. If you have any questions, thoughts, comments, make sure to put those down below. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they are available. With that said, looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.